Welcome to Siddhivinayak Education Institute.
Hi, this is Anushka and today we will learn about blood. In this video, we will gonna learn about what is blood, component of blood and the functions of blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue that consists of plasma, fluid matrix and form elements. It circulates throughout our body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to our various cells and tissues. It makes up 8% of our body weight. An average adult possesses around 5 to 6 liters of blood in their body. Component of blood. Blood is a special connective tissue consisting of fluid matrix, plasma and form elements. Plasma is a colorless viscous fluid constituting nearly 55% of blood, 90 to 92% of water and 6 to 8% of proteins. Form elements are further divided into three types: RBCs, WBCs and platelets. RBCs are also known as erythrocytes, which are biconcave in shape and without nucleus in humans. It consists of hemoglobin, a protein. They are produced by bone marrow. It carries oxygen to body and carbon dioxide away from it. RBCs are red due to hemoglobin, which is a transport molecule and also a pigment. As a result, blood is red. WBCs, which are also known as leukocytes, are colorless blood cell due to the absence of hemoglobin. It mainly contribute to immunity and defense mechanism of our body. They circulate through our body and originate from the bone marrow. Platelets are also known as thrombocytes, are the tiny dish-shaped cells that help regulate blood flow when any part of body is damaged, and help for fast recovery through clotting of blood. So last topic, function of blood. Function of bloods are in various types. First, it provides oxygen to the cells, also transport hormones and nutrients, and homeostasis, which is a process in which blood helps to maintain internal temperature by absorbing or releasing heat, and it also helps in blood clotting at the site of injury, as we seen in the platelets, which means thrombocytes. And also it transports the waste to the kidney and liver, and it also protects our body from the pathogens which are infectious agent or simply a germ. These are the few functions of our blood, and here's our topic ends. Thank you.